Hello friends, this is Jatin this side from JR Luxury Residences, and this is the first time I'm coming live on YouTube and talking to all my subscribers and viewers on the special request. Earlier I was just putting my pic on the thumbnail only, and I do realize that I do need to come, my face should be there on the YouTube, and everybody wants that human connect. Like if they want to deal somebody, they should know the other person also. So my full name is Jatin Rohra, and then my name is flashing on the top of the screen, and I am into this profession since last 2 years, and we are exclusively working on builder floors. And I mean, builder floors is the best thing that can happen to Gurgaon. After increasing the FAR from government in last September 2018, it's been a blessing for all the builders from Delhi and NCR that they are constructing here in Gurgaon, and it's a blessing for the customers also who wanted to shift to Gurgaon. Namaste to all my viewers and subscribers. It's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video of any of the builder floor. Just to remind you, it's Jatin Rohra from JR Luxury Floors, and thanks for all the support and love. And the problem with builder floors is that, like, the builders are not willing to shoot the property, and I think they're right on their end also, because nobody wants to showcase their property publicly on YouTube. It's a big platform, and it's their wish. Like, they have invested, it's their wish always. It's their call, and neither I am willing to put any video of on YouTube. People are watching it for entertainment purpose only, basically. And most of the people who are really serious buyer, they come and meet me personally, and I have many options from them, many good options for them. So watching a video on YouTube is ठीक है, you are getting a rough idea what kind of construction is going on in Gurgaon, but see, if you are buying a property worth crores, you can't ask the price on the YouTube in the comment section, and it really doesn't matter, and you should not ask. What I think is, and the builder is also they are scared of many things if we disclose the price of the property publicly. Neither we want, if the builder is comfortable, we can put the price on the thumbnail, and if we haven't put the price on the thumbnail, then you can call me and ask the price of that particular property, no problem. See, if I've uploaded 10 videos, then it doesn't mean I have only that 10 properties. I got many, I got around 100 properties in my hand in each and every sector of Gurgaon, and in every budget, starting from 80 lakhs to 5 CR, 6 CR. We got floors in every budget range. So the problem is, like, people do comment that why are you not uploading the video of the builder floor? So see, today the market is of seller side. It's a seller market. It's not a buyer market of Gurgaon. Every people who are looking for the floor since long time will agree with me that it's a seller market. Builders are doing good work, and they are selling the property in the structure stage, or the stage in which there are 2-3 months left. It's the finishing stage. So there are hardly any ready to move properties available, any good ready to move properties. So see, watching video is not the solution for your problem. You have to visit the. So the conclusion is, you must come and check out the property yourself. You must feel the property physically. You must check out the surroundings. What's the status of the security of that particular area? Do we have street light? Do we have proper roads? Do we have proper sewerage around that, so that there's no blockage on the road in the rainy season? And secondly, to in comparison to construction, you must check out that whether what you have seen in the video is actually what the builder is committing. Like if in the video some associate is telling you that it's an Italian marble, so you must come and check out that whether it's an Italian marble or it's a tile of Italian marble look. See, today Kajaria is making very good tiles. Even many Chinese tiles are coming which looks like Italian marble. So the focus of every floor buyer should be on the quality of construction first, then the locality, and then the pricing. So you must feel like this is the wall. You must feel like is it properly painted? Is it on even surface? Like how smooth is the finishing? Is it a velvet touch paint or like it's a roller paint or a brush paint? See, there are very few, very small points that you need to consider while buying a builder floor. So you need, if you need guidance, we have people, and we are ready to help you out. And the market scenario today, the Gurgaon market scenario is like it's not a buyer's market. What is a buyer market? Buyer market is like that if there's lots of inventory in the market, then you have options to choose from. And even after choosing the options, what people do is they just quote some price and then leave the buyer, leave the builder. Sorry. So leave the builder said that builder will call me or the dealer will call me. It's not that. It's not that days are gone now. Nobody's gonna call you. And if you are really serious, you should go ahead. If you find a good property, you should go ahead for the meeting, and at that time you can negotiate. And if you are serious, you must go for it. The sellers are least bothered. Every weekend there are around 50 of customers coming through different channel partners, through different associates, not from me only, to the builder's property. So they're least bothered about who is gonna buy it. They're gonna sell it on their own price. Today plot prices are also increasing rapidly. So whatever floor you will get today, the builder calculates with the plot price of the current date. So you need to understand all that thing. And if you're liking something, you need to finalize it. And what builder floor is all about. A builder floor is like you get maximum FAR, and secondly, you get good quality of construction. Thirdly, you get, you can modify it according to your needs if you buy it at an earlier stage. So there are lots of benefits of. We will make another video on the benefits of buying a builder floor in comparison to the flat or apartment in a high rise. So now it's time. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna make video on every aspect of Gurgaon real estate. And if somebody wants to visit us, we got office at Sector 28. It's close to DLF Galleria Market and Golf Course Road also. So anybody can call me and ask for the location. It's in Sector 28, near to the Rapid Metro DLF Phase 1 metro station. And any doubts, any queries regarding builder floors, you can connect me. And hope we will upload some good videos in the coming future. And any serious buyer is most welcome. And we treat all our customers equally, whether they want to buy a 1 CR property or 6 CR or 8 CR or 10 CR property. We hardly care, and every customer is equal to us. And thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for all your love and support. Thank you. This is Jatin Rohra signing off from JR Luxury Floors. Thank you so much. Thank you.